What is up, my boss mamas? I am back with another video. I know I've been kind of in and out during this whole quarantine thing, you guys. I'm literally trying to get my business up and running. I have officially launched. I launched at the end of April 26th. To be exact, I am officially launched, so I would love it if you guys check out my site. Go ahead and shop with me, all that good stuff. So, before we get into this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and tap that bell because I will be bringing you guys more entrepreneur videos. I plan to be doing a how I started my business video. I plan to keep you guys updated on how my business is going and everything. So you want to be subscribed for that, as long as I'm as long as still going to be doing my original mommy life videos, still cook with me, clean with me, and all that there. I just haven't been able to put up my regular content, you guys, because I've been grinding so hard for this business. It literally takes up a lot of my time making lip gloss, constantly promoting, running ads. I'm in a couple of Facebook groups where, you know, we're talking about our businesses and things like that. I'm just trying to get my name out there. I'm steadily grinding, steadily hustling. I don't sleep because, of course, all my vendors are overseas, but your girl just been grinding. But today I come to you guys with an unboxing video. Oh, don't let me get it for you. So the other day, my fiance gifted me with the Cricut Joy because I want to start doing my own labels and possibly, I don't know for sure yet, but maybe, you know, make labels for others as well. I'm not really sure yet if I'm gonna do that. I know I need to get more familiar with doing labels and stuff before I do other people's labels, but excuse me, guys. Wouldn't be a lip gloss video if I didn't at least promote myself at least once, okay? This right here is Sweet Dreams. Sweet Dream Kisses. I think it's Sweet Dream Kisses. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of my Cricut Joy. I'm so excited. It was either getting the Cricut or the Cricut Explorer, and I actually asked around in my my business group before, well, the day that he gifted me with it. And see, before he gifted me with it, you guys, I actually was debating on getting either this or the Cricut Explorer. And the Cricut Explorer 2 I really want, but honestly right now in the place that I'm at, I just really needed something something small. I know you guys probably like stop talking and get to the unboxing, but I really just needed something small, something so I could do my own labels. And I honestly don't have the space for the Cricut Explorer 2. I know it sucks. I just don't have the space for it. So, oops. I'm just tearing up stuff, guys. So, the next best thing was to get the Cricut Joy because it's small, and a lot of people was like, that small thing, and it's like, it's a gift. It's the thought that counts. And not only that, you have to do what is affordable for you, because I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, that small thing, like, you just need to go ahead on and get the Cricut Explorer. And I thought about that, but of course my fiance came in with this. He gifted me with it. I didn't even know he was going to come home with it. So you have to do what your money works for you. if you don't have the space for the big Cricut and you need a Cricut, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the Cricut Joy. It's smaller. It's not, I mean, like, of course it's not going to do everything that the Explorer is, but it's going to do everything that I need it to do, because I just want to make labels out of it. I just want to make labels for my lip gloss tubes. That's pretty much it. Maybe some cool little crafts with the kids I think I can do, but as far as anything major, I'm not going to do anything major. So this is what it looks like. It's okay, sis. Let her in.
Okay.
It's okay. You can let her in. Hi, Genesis. Yeah, go ahead. I'll press it a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's a pretty blue. I like it. And then you just open it up here, and then I guess this is where the pen is gonna go. Okay, thank you. This is where the pen is gonna go, right here, and then this in here is where you'll slide the vinyl paper and all that. So I will do a video on me using this. This is just an unboxing. I'm not going to open this right now. Then it just has the instructions, and it says open me. We're going to see what this is. Okay, so in here it's just it says let's get started, and I guess it's gonna show me how to, hold on, my baby's in here and she wants to open this. It came separate. My fiance got me this separate, just pretty much all the tools and everything that I need. It's pretty much all the tools and everything that I need to get started. She's trying to help me do my unboxing, I guess, but she's kind of throwing me off topic a little bit. Ugh. Hold on. So it has, like I said, it has this let's get started book, and then it has this. I'm really not sure what this is for yet. Oh, it's a paper sample. And then this is a, I guess this is another smart paper. This is another sample. It's the smart vinyl, I guess. And then of course it has this on it. So it's got this, and then it comes with a sample. This is called the adhesive mesh. Then the warranty and all that there, the warranty statement. So that's all that's in here. Yeah. So I'm probably going to play around with this today. I will, once I learn how to work it or whatever, I'll probably do like a little tutorial on that. If you guys are interested in a tutorial on the Cricut Joy, let me know. I have to learn how to work it first. So, and then inside the box, it comes with the it comes with the outlet plugs, and then it comes with the fine point pen. So that's good. I didn't have to buy one of those right away because because it does come with one. So that's awesome. And then something else that I got to go with it. You guys like my shirt? It says Boss Up. I thought that it would be appropriate for this video since I am a boss. I got it for Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day gift. Anyways, so and he got me this smart paper, and I believe it is what is the holographic one. My baby just wants to see everything. And then he got these smart iron-ons, and he got these by accident, and he was gonna take it back. But I was like, oh, we could probably do some crafts with the girls. Probably like do them some iron-ons. Okay, we could probably do them some iron-ons for their shirts or something like that. So that's why we didn't take that back. But so as far as this stuff right here, so this is what they call the scraper. So it's to scrape the designs, I guess. And these are the scissors that it came with. These are the tweezers. Let's take those out for you guys so you guys can see them. I can't wait to start working with this stuff. So these are the tweezers to just, you know, tweeze the extra stuff out, I guess, with ease. So I have that. And then and it honestly doesn't say what this is. I honestly don't know what that is. It doesn't even say what that is, honestly. Anyways, though. And then this is the scraper to scrape. So, can mommy see? I actually wonder like what this is. This might be is, guys. I'm gonna have to look this up and figure it out. But yeah, so he's over here playing with stuff. So that is it, you guys, for this unboxing. I just wanted to pop on in, do a quick unboxing of my Cricut drawer for you guys in case anyone is thinking about getting this or the Explorer. I've always heard, and I still hear, that of course the Explorer 2 is better. But honestly, if you're like me and you don't have a lot of space, or you have kids that are just always into stuff, I would suggest getting the Cricut Joy. It's nothing wrong with starting off small in your business. I was really against even getting a Cricut to do my labels because I was just like, oh, I'll just wait, you know, they're kind of expensive. But when you have a business, you literally have to invest in your business. You have to invest in yourself. So this was it was kind of a big investment for me, seeing as how I've already put so much money into this business. I haven't even put a dent, you guys, in what I've made. So I haven't even put a dent in what I haven't got my money back yet, pretty much, from starting this business. So have to invest in yourself, you know. So this was a big investment. Get that out your mouth, please. It was a big investment. But as I was saying, if you don't have the space, you know, to get something like an Explorer 2, because that would have been, that was initially what I was looking at, was Explorer 2. But honestly, initially, because I wanted the Explorer 2. But you have to do what's best for you. I had to look at my budget. I had to look at my space. Where am I going to put it? I've got kids all over the place. I ordered my desk. My desk is not here yet. So I literally just didn't have the space for the... Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a tutorial on this Cricut. After, of course, I learn to use it and all that. Because I just opened it and I don't know what to do with it yet. But I will catch you guys in my next one.